Hello, I'm Rejon Ibrahim and I'm a full-time all-over print AOP designer. I have 10 years experience in textile printing designing and also virtual fashion designing. In this service, I will give you custom seamless pattern design. You can use this design in textile garments fabric, can be used on various paper prints such as banner, poster, festoon, cartoon boxes, can be used in plastic materials, carpet design, tiles design, and any printable material. I will make the design exactly the way you want. Any size, any element, any position, just as you like. I will provide unique and professional pattern design. If you need a special seamless pattern design, just let me know before. I will provide source file like PDF, AI, PSD, JPEG, what you want. Looking forward to create beautiful product for you. I love to work with you. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I am waiting for you. Thank you.